This is a 2012 GMC Sierra 1500. This truck has an automatic transmission and a 4.8-liter V8. Features include chrome wheels, a low tire pressure indicator, traction control and stability control systems, a CD player, a bed liner, a security system, tinted glass, an anti-lock braking system, air conditioning, and this vehicle has less than 20,000 miles. This GMC has had only one owner and it qualifies for the Carfax buyback guarantee. Contact us today and schedule your opportunity to see this vehicle in person.
Henry Brown Buick GMC is located at 1550 East Drivers Way in Gilbert. Family owned and operated, offering every customer a premier experience. Cars and trucks and trades are worth more at Henry Brown Car and Truck Store.